channel. I'm Mary.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we're going to be playing Fix This Giant Egg Slime Challenge. So in here is a slime that we have to fix, guys. And we have a golden egg. And whatever's in the golden egg is what we have to fix our slime, guys. And we have to use it, good or bad. But first, let's see what type of slime we have in our egg.
But look, guys, look. Ready? Mary! Ah! You!
What?
You cracked my egg! Look. Whee!
And so let's see what we're fixing today. Oh! I have a pink slime!
I have a blue, it looks like Nickelodeon slime, guys.
This is such a pretty neon pink. It looks
Mine's
like I won't have to change the color, guys.
Mine's
Hopefully.
like a metallic blue. It's so pretty. Okay, bubble test. Well, first poke test. Oh, they poke really nice.
Bubble.
Wow.
Wow. Maybe we can make them Easter themed. Hopefully.
Yeah,
it depends on what we get.
It's almost Easter month. Actually, guys, did you know Easter is on Gabe's birthday? And spring break for us starts on Junior's birthday, and it ends on our dad's birthday. So,
Actually, it ends on Gabe's birthday.
no, but Friday. Okay,
Let's open the golden eggs, guys. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I got so much stuff. Shaving cream, awesome. Pink glitter, awesome.
I got
Another pink glitter.
ramen eggs.
More pink glitter. I got some pink paint. I hope these don't change the color too
Oh,
much.
I have some purple paint. Why do you have peeps?
I don't know. I have double bubble eggs.
Purple paint.
Egg-shaped bubble gum.
Purple paint.
Don't know what bubble gum's gonna
Purple
do to my
paint.
son.
Purple paint.
Cotton candy flavored
Purple
peeps.
paint. Purple
I love
paint.
peeps.
Purple food
And I
coloring.
have marshmallow
And a green
peeps bunny. So these are shaped like ducks or something. These are bunnies.
It's okay. At least I got these. What are these?
I have neon pink food coloring.
You have to use everything.
Okay. I got those too. They're bubble. They're not cute.
Maybe the peeps will melt your slime in.
I have Crayola
I never had
pink.
these before. What
Pink.
are these?
These are both paints, and I have a
Mmm.
pink colada.
What's it called? What are these called? We're so good. There's a Halloween candy like this.
And
Whoppers, guys, they're called Whoppers, and this is actually Whoppers, but it's just Easter. That's why I looked at the package, and mine are Whoppers.
can I'll give you a gum for a chocolate egg.
Okay. I want a blue one, though.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, this has slime on it. Can I have a new one?
No, it doesn't.
It has slime.
Mary.
Oh, I've been trying to give you slime.
They have blue on them.
Thank you. Ooh, they do taste like Whoppers.
They are Whoppers.
Okay, guys. So let's fix our slime. This is gonna be awesome. And obviously, I'm making a pink slime. Hopefully.
And maybe I'm like purple or blue or like a violet. I don't know if the purple will take.
First things first is this slime, and then the shaving cream, and then the food coloring because the shaving cream's gonna lighten the slime.
You got shaving cream and peeps. I got the rotten egg, guys.
Ah, look, strawberries.
Really got the rotten egg. Like bees are gonna act. It's a scam.
Well, then be glad because you don't even want to add beads.
Because bees make your bubbles pop.
Okay, guys.
And I got like this one.
So this comes in
green
two
glitter.
things. So here's the white. That will help lighten it, but I don't really want to change the color. But here's this pink. Adding in this pink.
Guys-
Can you tell the difference?
I'm gonna
Okay,
start
no.
with.
This is more stretchy. This is like a butter.
Can you let me talk?
I don't know.
I'm gonna start with all my paints and my food coloring, and then I'm gonna add the glitter because glitter kind of thickens up slime. So,
Okay, I'm mixing in these two slimes, guys. I'm saving this to add when I'm adding the
Right.
glitter because it's just
this
a
is
powder.
like half empty, but I don't think even it will come out.
Yeah, you definitely got the rotten egg.
Fine. I can use that to get this paint out.
Okay.
Right.
This slime was pretty easy to mix in for the slime. Okay.
Alright, there's that.
So basically, I just added slime into slime, but now it's time for shaving cream. And it's gonna
paint.
lighten it,
This
but
is
I
Crayola
have
paint.
neon paint.
This is my brother's Crayola paint.
Want some shaving cream?
No.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I said yeah.
Just kidding, can't cheat.
Mint on your head. Oh, I thought you.
Dude, that was my mouth. I went.
Stop it. I have paint.
I gave
thank
you.
you.
You're supposed to say you don't like it.
What?
Okay, time to mix in the shaving
this
cream,
paint is
guys.
so pretty. It's thick too. It's like acrylic paint. This is basically the same thing.
Okay.
I have 4 bottles of the same paint, guys. Except this one is made in the US. It says. And this one doesn't say anything.
Whoa, this shaving cream is cool. It's like making the slime less sticky, which I need because my slime was super, super sticky.
Okay, jeez. Get it. Okay. Oh, guys, look, it's a blue and purple dippy egg. Guys, do you call your sunny side up eggs dippy eggs? Because then you can, like, dip your toast. I call them dippy eggs because I love to dip my toast, guys.
Okay, guys, so now it is time to add in all the paints and food colorings. You guys think this is going to come out a lighter pink or darker pink? I really don't know. I added shaving cream. I didn't change it too much. But we don't want to add a lot. There we go.
All right, now I'm going to add a glitter.
Now, if this one will... There we go.
This is the prettiest glitter ever. Holographic. No. This is the prettiest glitter ever, guys. It's iridescent. Alright.
Guys.
Alright, now I'm gonna fold everything.
These are two of the exact same thing. Look, I'm gonna make, like, bunny ears.
Alright, guys, now I'm mixing it all in, and it looks like I added nothing.
And the last one.
Because it's all in the middle.
Food coloring. There we go, guys.
Oh my god. It got stuck at the bottom. All the paint's at the bottom. Your glitter. Look at that. That's actually so pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna do glitter now, guys. So, we have some of this.
Guys, it kind of looks like the blue is taking over.
Okay, what we can add?
I almost thought it was going to turn purplish for a second, but it looks like the blue is taking over when I mix it
now we
in.
have these pink. Oh my god, that is so pretty. There's paint under here, and I'm waiting to mix it.
Let me
Okay.
see. I think
Mix.
I have some more purple food coloring. Maybe it will turn it purple, guys. I'm going to try to get as much purple as I can, guys, because I thought that was going to be enough. I might have changed the color, but I guess it's not. So... What? Oh, I got some underneath.
Izzy!
Sorry. Oh man,
Bro, don't get them on my Legoland pants.
oh, I'm wearing your pants, guys. See, look at that. I don't know why I didn't get them. All right,
Guys,
Now-
look at all the pretty glitter.
food coloring.
Okay.
Oh my god, guys, I added all the purple food coloring and it's still blue.
What about the purple paint?
I did.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, guys, I think it's looking purple, maybe like a dark violet. But every time I mix, guys, the blue just like takes over. Look at this.
Guys, I'm gonna add in the eggs into the slime. And look, there's only 2 golden eggs.
I want one. Put it in my slime.
I bet you have golden chocolate eggs.
But I don't like chocolate.
I'll trade you for one.
Okay.
What do you mean? Izzy, I don't want that to touch the slime. Okay, saving
God.
these to go on top.
So
Okay,
good.
I'm
I have a
mixing.
lot of them.
Guys, I'm mixing in these eggs now. Hopefully, we'll still be able to see them. But in case, I have some for the top. Because it's a big slime. Oh, look at the eggs, guys. You can see them.
Oh my god. If I rub the blue off on the slime, the color of it starts to come off. Look at that.
Okay, guys, look at
How do I open this? Bro! It got in my mouth!
It got on mine!
It got on my shirt too. You hear that pop? Popcorn! Is it stop? This reminds me of the baby toy where you wheel it and it's like,
I won't give you any picks if you don't stop.
oh, okay. Hopefully it doesn't pop my bubbles, but it's so pretty.
Stop, you're getting deep in my phone.
Sorry.
Look at all the eggs that went to
I
the
got beads in
bottom.
my shirt.
Okay, the eggs are kind of melting it. But it's okay. Okay. Hello. Your face peeps towards you. Now, we got a stack of bunny
I
squishes.
thought you were gonna let me eat some.
Can you let me finish my slime? Strawberries in the back. Okay. The 2 golden eggs. Now time for some glitter.
Oh man, I can't eat that anymore. You know, glitter is glass.
And now time for some. Yes. You know what? We need all the glitter around in a circle.
I don't think she's running. Yeah, my my green glitter on top. I want to try.
Okay.
I want to try the cotton candy. And the bunny.
They taste the same.
Oh my god. Guys, it tastes like cotton candy. Let me try the pink bunny.
These are going into a hold up. Don't touch my.
I want to. Oh man, I got pink glitter at my slime.
Look!
You can see.
Here's me, and here's Izzy.
She bit my ears off.
In your head.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, put it back. Come on, put it. Ow!
Alright. Okay, guys, I'm hoping that the green will look like grass and I have the eggs, so.
That I need one to fold this up. I hope you know I dropped that in the glitter.
Why is there blue flakes on it?
Now you can't eat it.
Oh my god, guys, look at mine. I fixed it. It looks like a patch of grass with eggs.
Oh, I get it. Here's the sky, the grass, the eggs.
Yeah, it's so pretty, isn't it? From like a neon blue to like a dark violet. Purple.
Here is mine. It's the Easter bunnies and the people who bring the Easter eggs having a party after Easter. Okay, so let's mix them up and make bubbles. And I could already tell that the sugar from the eggs is starting to melt my slime, guys.
Oh, that pizza is gonna make me throw up. What did you put in it?
Maybe you shouldn't have ate so many.
I ate 3.
I put glitter. They were for my slime. Okay, let's.
never have to.
And mine still makes bubbles.
Did yours? Oh, I never double test mine before.
Yes, you
I
did.
forgot.
You did bubble test it, Izzy. I saw you.
Look at that.
Look. Mine still pokes. Such a pretty slime. I love it. I like to crush the chocolate ones. Okay, let's see who could get the biggest bubble. Oh, see, just that. That was huge.
All right, my turn. All right, my turn. All right. Wait, that was a fail. Okay, ready? Look at that. Butt cheeks!
Not the biggest bubble. So
That's
mine wins. Oh, bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below.